Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I want to update you on the wear and the removability of the Muron Peel Off Gel Polish. If you remember, I applied this color with their top coat on my left hand, and this is a hand that has hard gel on top, and I was playing around and I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording, so I peeled this one off. By accident, it came off so easy, and I want to, hopefully these will still come off real easy. I peeled this one off after a couple days trying to figure out how to make it peel off of the hard gel, and well, they're holding up really good. This one I actually smashed into a door, so I mean, I've got an ouchie, but it's still shining away, so I'm surprised. What I found the best way to do, if you have hard gel on, is like, say you're washing the dishes, you've got your rubber gloves on, you got nice hot water going on. After you're done, go ahead and just start to peel up the edges. Or if you're washing your hair, that's what I did. I already pucked up the edges. It's been about 10 minutes at least, 30 minutes, I don't know. Because I was peeling this one off and it came off so easy. I can't even find the peel, it popped off so amazingly fast. I was shocked. So to make it come off of hard gel easiest, heat. Just warm them up. If your body's hot, it's gonna come up really easy too. For natural nails, I do it this way. So let me try this. I'm just worried that I'm gonna catch the edge of my hard gel overlay. Nope, there it goes. You just kind of, there's like a little suction. You just kind of release the suction, follow it along. You'll hear it pop, and it comes right off. Look at that. And this isn't even warm anymore. I just started to do the edge while it was warm. I'll have a little bit of cleanup, but very minor. And it's not even intended to be used over hard gel, but it does work. I just get out my little glass buffer and buff that up. This is what, it only chipped here because I played with it in the shower and my earlier video that did not film. It's easiest if you hold your hand against something and just work around. Don't force it, do not force it, do not dig into your whatever you have, natural nails overlays. Natural nails, I just went like this, boop, popped right off. I don't know how. This science is like mind-boggling to me. This is already cooled off, so it's taking a little bit longer to pop off. But when you get done doing the dishes, you're ready for a new nail color, just pop it off. If you're done washing your hair, what have you. I did my thumb right in the shower. A little bit, this is where I've got top coat of another brand. I just got to get it out of the top coat. That's nothing to do with the performance of the product. Let me get that off later. Again, I would brace your finger against something. It's kind of tricky to do on film. Get a curved tool and just suction up, and bam, it's gone. That's like amazing. I don't get it. I don't understand it. Everybody, make sure that you do check my description for a way in which you can win a stamping plate from me. And this is what I won from naq57. It came with a little, it came in this baggie. It came with a thank you card. It's from the FIFA. I'll put that on the screen for you. fifaus.com is their website. And this is what I won. I won a pair of cool needle nose tweezers. Those will come in very handy for me. I didn't even know this was part of it. Some cool foils. Look at that. Cool. And then I remember these. I didn't know which ones I was winning. I remember she asked us to just name off which set we liked. I thought I was winning one set. I've got all 3 sets sitting here. I'm like totally amazed. This is my first look at them. I'll give you a glance. I'll put the website for this company down below, and I'll link naq57's channel down below. I'd just like to thank her and the Alfalfa company. I'm sorry, I can't say companies' names very well. For the sponsoring the giveaway and her for hosting it. Look at these. There's white and black on here. They're gorgeous. I may put some into today's giveaway as well. A couple of these. Because I have so many, I'll share a couple with you. So just do exactly what it says down in the description, and you'll have a chance to win a couple of these. Oh, look at the feathers. Oh, they're all so pretty. You can make stained glass images out of these. Oh, they're so pretty. But I'll share some of my wins with you. Not a problem. Ooh, trees. And they're so pretty. There's not one that I don't love. I can't even remember which one I said I loved. The new pack 3 is the metallics. Glorious, they're silver and gold. I'll put a couple of each one of these in my giveaway today, so make sure that you are following the directions to a T down below. Also, I'd like to thank you all for being here with me today. I thank the company that did this giveaway. I thank Nora from naq57 for her giveaway, for hosting it, because hosting a giveaway is a lot of hard work. I know it. Any other YouTuber that has done one knows that it's a lot of hard work. I thank you all. naq67 is currently hosting 2 giveaways. One to name her flexi finger. Hopefully it's still going on. And one that will launch when she hits 1,000 subscribers. I will link both of those videos down below, as well as naq57's channel. Head on over there, say hello, tell them Nails of Interest sent you. A lot of people don't know, but a lot of people call me NOI. That's perfectly fine. You can say NOI sent me. Both ladies will know who that is referring to. So thank you for being here with me today, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.